Okay, cutting and pasting can be a really simple thing or it can be complicated, and it really varies from computer to computer. So I'll show you a basic way to do it. If this doesn't work for your particular computer, do a Google search, cut and paste in, and then list out whatever specific type of computer you have. So the first thing that I want to do is select all the data. Now the easiest way to do this is go up to this corner square in the spreadsheet, just click that, and that'll select all the data. And from this point, I'm going to do a Control C, which cuts it to the clipboard. On a Mac, that would be a Command C. Alternatively, you could always right click and press copy there. Copy leaves whatever is here. It doesn't change what's here, but it still copies it to the clipboard. So right now it's on the clipboard, or it should be. Every now and then you'll have to do the process a couple times. And I'm going to pull in, so let's say I want to put it right here, spreadsheets for class. Now I just do a Control V. And because this was quite a bit of data, it may do a little thinking here. And if you're not sure if it's working, you can always, I can see my mouse flashing, which tells me that the computer is thinking. So there it comes the data. The other thing, again, if your Control V or Command V on a Mac doesn't work, you can right click and do a paste. If it was a formula and you just want numbers now, you can do the paste special values only. But in this case, we had values to begin with, so it doesn't really matter. Now, you still need to do some cleaning on that. There's another video at the end of this if you want to look at that. But that's how you do the cut and paste. Again, if that process doesn't work for you, then I turn to Google. I Google constantly. It's one of the most powerful tools. You could use other internet search engines too. I've found the most success with Google, but do searches frequently. They change your life basically.